Hey, how are you? We're back with the second video in this series. So what we're going to do right now is show you how to set up a free WordPress site on WordPress.com. All you have to do is head over to WordPress.com, and here you'll land on the page, and it'll say create your website for free. You're going to put in your URL extension of WordPress.com. Okay. So if you have a brand or a product, you might use your brand or product name. If not, it's ideal. Say you're building a microsite, it would be ideal to try to name the site about your most relevant keyword. Let's say redfireengines.com or something of that nature. Almondtoffee.com. So it's almondtoffee.wordpress.com because free WordPress sites are a subdomain of WordPress itself. And we're not going to get too deep into that. Just know whatever you choose here is going to be yourname.wordpress.com for the blog that you're creating. We're going to click Create Website, this blue button right here. And now it's going to ask us for our email address for the account. So let's just make one up real quick. And then it gives you this green check mark if your email address has not been used on WordPress.com already. This username is going to be the one that you need to log into your account, into your blog that we're creating. So we'll just call it test user. And we're going to make up a password. And then once we get all the green check marks, we know we're approved to go. Here's our blog address, .wordpress.com. It is free. You could buy from them if you prefer to purchase their hosting system. You can. I don't recommend it that way. I would much rather see, if you're going to purchase hosting, that you do it through a trusted hosting provider in the US like GoDaddy or Bluehost. Okay. So here we go. Yoursite.wordpress.com. And you're going to scroll down here and click Create My Blog for free. Now here's your site title. That would be this title that hovers in the tab right here. That is going to be your website title or your blog title. Okay. So in this case, it could be the best WP training. And that should be descriptive with your keywords. If you're selling Red Fire Engines, then it should say Red Fire Engines space hyphen space, buy it now, or something of that nature. Okay. Below that is your site tagline. Here's a few more keywords that you can put in that are descriptive, not only for the user, but for the search engines to understand what is the blog about that you're creating. All right. So we can say WordPress training, and language is going to be English this time. Next step is the blue button you want to click on. Now you can choose from a free theme. This was the one that we used in the tutorial, so we're just going to pick that one again. And now it gives you a little preview of it, and it shows you that this theme is responsive, which means that whether it's on a desktop, viewed on an iPad or some type of tablet, or if it's viewed on a mobile phone or smartphone, the website will be responsive and shrink to the proper size of the device the user is viewing your website on. Okay. And we're going to click Next Step. And now we can connect our Twitter and our Facebook to this blog that we've just created. To do that, you would just click on this and go ahead and log in to your account, and it will connect it for you. And then go ahead and click Next Step. And now all you'll need to do is go verify your email. Click on the confirmation link, the verification. that your email address is real and that you're ready to get going. And in our next video, we're going to actually break down step by step how you go ahead and build your first blog post. So hopefully that's a help to you. As I said, WordPress.com is free. Your site that you create on WordPress.com would be an extension of WordPress.com. I personally would prefer to see you buy hosting and a domain name from one of the trusting hosting providers. But if you want to just test out this little thing, you can do it here on WordPress.com for free. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.